super large F-22 from Temu. Gonna try to do a little trick flying. Here we go. Thanks for watching. Oh, that is so cool. That thing just hovering. That's awesome. Look at that. Like some 3D flight characteristic. That's cool. Let me spin the other one. Oh yeah, of course it can. Very neat airplane, guys. I recommend this one to anybody. It's a lot of fun. Alright, I gotta bring it in, the battery low. I'm flying it quite a bit. What's this thing? It's like almost like a hovercraft. Check it out. Like a drone. If it wouldn't hit that weed, that'd have been beautiful. Yeah, I think you guys need one of these. F-22 from Temu, super large size. Check them out, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.